Okay, so we're going to do a project here called Contour Hands. It's kind of fun. It's a project in blending and working on 3D techniques and things like that. So the first thing you're going to do is trace your hands, okay? And when you trace your hand, make sure you get your whole wrist on there as well. So you should only be, about an inch or so from the top, okay? And you're going to lay your hand out flat like this, and you're going to trace around every edge and do it very carefully, and always try to stay, straight up here. Don't come in at an angle because you'll get too far away. So do a really good job of tracing. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll come back. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I've got my hand traced. Right here I had a bump where my ring was, so I'm just going to kind of go in and fix that. Okay, and then the next step you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler. You're going to lay it right even with the edge of the paper. And hopefully I can do this at this funny angle. And you're going to make a straight line like that. And then you're going to go to the next one and line it up. Okay, and then make another line. And then line it up. Make sure you got it straight. Do another one and just continue to do that all the way down. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So I have all these lines drawn down to the hand. Now the next part's a little bit tricky. So we are going to curve, where the fingers are, and you're going to erase the straight line. So right here, you're going to go like this. Okay. So hopefully you can see that, what I did right there. You're going to do that everywhere a finger and a line cross. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. And then you're going to do it here across that whole section. I didn't do that very well, so I'll have to erase that. See if you can see that there. And then that's one little finger that's here. We'll have to do it alone. Okay. Okay. You can see what I did there on the thumb. Kind of did a double bump. But now this is going to be all one. Okay. Like that. Okay. And like that. Okay. So I'm going to go erase the parts I don't want and show it to you again. Okay. So now I've erased all the lines I don't need, which are the straight lines that went through the hands. I only kept the curved lines. Okay. And then we're going to work on our blending skills. Okay. So you're going to do every other line. Okay. Okay. So we're going to color. And starting here, you're going to choose only two colors for this whole project. So one stripe is going to be one color, so I'm going to do like pink and purple, and the other is going to be the other color. And so on each finger, you're going to color. I don't know if you remember tube painting, but that's the same kind of idea. You're going to color dark on the outside, and you're going to do little lines in. Okay. Kind of go that direction, like that. Okay. And then you color Not quite as dark, but okay. And in the middle, you color pretty light. Okay, and see how that makes that look like it's curved? And you can blend that a little bit more, work over it a little, straighten up your edges. But that's the general idea. Okay, so you'll do that on all the fingers, and then you'll skip a stripe. So you'll do those 3 fingers, you'll skip a stripe here, and then you'll do it again here. Okay, so there I'm gonna do it kind of like that. And this connects here, so I don't want to darken all the way down on that spot. So on this side I will, but not on that side. If that makes sense. And then I'll darken a little bit right here. Okay, and then I'll darken over here. Okay, and then I'll do it here also. So hopefully that makes sense. And I'm going to do it over here. Okay, and then the same thing, just color it a little bit lighter right there. Okay, and then lightly the middle there. Okay, same way here. So it's darker on the outside, and then here I'm gonna still kind of do it dark, but not as dark as I had it there. And basically it's the same idea, just I'm lengthening all this out. Okay, okay. Hopefully you get the feel for what you're doing here. All right, so then I skip that next one and I'll do this one. It's just one tube. The next one and it's just one tube. Okay, so when we start the next video, you'll see how that looks. All right.